Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang bagong-bago na product ni Bactidol na Cap Zero. Meron po pala itong dalawang variants. Una po, ito po yung light pink na may generic name na guaifenesin bromhexine na pang heavy phlegm relief. And next naman po, ito po yung light blue na may generic name na ammonium chloride plus diphenhydramine na for itchy cough relief. Unahin natin itong light pink na Bactidol for heavy phlegm na meron generic name na guaifenesin na may 100 mg and yung bromhexine niya na HCI na may 4 mg. Ito po ay formulated as an expectorant and mucolytic. Nakakatulong ito para malesen yung thick phlegm natin, make it easier to cough out mucus, relieve chest congestion, and this is ideal if your cough is productive or malapot ang plema. Pwede po ito sa adults and 12 years old and above. Bali 5 ml o kaya naman katumbas ng isang kutsara. Bali 3 times daily po ang pag-inom. Pag sa children naman na 6 to 12 years old, 2.5 to 5 ml, kalahating kutsara or isang kutsara, 3 times a day rin po ang pag-inom. This is not recommended for kids below 6 unless recommended to or advised ng doktor. Next po, ito po yung light blue na Bactidol for itchy cough relief na may generic name na ammonium chloride na may 125 mg plus diphenhydramine na may 12.5 mg. This variant acts as an antitussive and expectorant. Bali nakakatulong po ito to relieve dry, itchy, or irritating cough. Nakaka-reduce rin po ito ng throat itchiness, yung makating lalamunan. And it's also slightly loosen na mild phlegm lang. Age and dosage. Adults 12 years old and above, bali 5 ml every 6 hours. Pag sa children 6 to 12 years old naman, 2.5 to 5 ml every 6 hours rin po ang pag-inom. Bali yung 6 hours po, yun po yung interval. Itong Bactidol na itchy cough relief, meron po itong diphenhydramine na content. Ibig sabihin, it may cause drowsiness. So, avoid driving or sa work, huwag nyo pong gamitin dahil nakakaantok po ito. Itong dalawang variant natin ng Bactidol ay OTC o tinatawag na over-the-counter medicine. Kahit wala kang prescription, makakabili ka po nito sa lahat ng drugstore. If your cough lasts more than 7 days at hindi ka pa gumaling ng within 7 days, bali magpa-consult na po sa doktor. And lastly po, not recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding na mga mommies unless po pag-approve ito ng doktor or mga healthcare professionals natin.